We're doing the multiplication properties of exponents. Okay, so we're going to start off simple with x squared times x squared. So the only step is to add the exponents together. So in this case, x squared times x squared would equal x to the fourth, because 2 plus 2 equals 4. This time, I'm going to do a harder one. Let's do 6x to the third times 4x to the fifth. First, you multiply the coefficients, which in this case would be 6 times 4. This would equal 24. Next, you would add the exponents to have the same base, which is x, and would equal 8. So the final answer would be 24x to the 8th.
Now we're doing the division properties of exponents. So I'm going to start off with an easy one. X to the sixth divided by x to the third. So the only step of dividing with exponents is that you subtract them. So in this case, the answer is x to the third, because 6 minus 3 is 3. Now I'm doing a more difficult one. Let's try 100x to the 50th divided by 25x to the 7th. First, we divide the coefficients, which in this case is 100 divided by 25, which equals 4. Then you subtract the exponent, which is 50 minus 7, which gives you 43. The end answer would be 4x to the 43rd. So, now I'm doing a more difficult one. Let's try 100x to the 50th divided by 25x to the 7th. First, we divide the coefficients, which in this case is 100 divided by 25, which equals 4. Then you subtract the exponent, which is 50 minus 7, which gives you 43. The end answer would be 4x to the 43rd. So, yo, peace.
Now I'm explaining rational exponents. Rational exponents is the use of rational numbers as exponents, such as 4 to the third, which when fully written is 4 times 4 times 4. And when you multiply these three numbers, you get 64. Rational exponents can also have negative and fractional exponents, such as 4 to the negative third. And what the negative exponent tells us is how many times you multiply by the reciprocal of 4, which when you multiply is 1/64.
Scientific notation is a method of writing or displaying numbers in terms of a decimal number between 1 and 10, multiplied by a power of 10. So an example is 630, which would be rewritten as 6.3 times 10 to the second power.